Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you with another powerful weight loss drink. Now listen, you guys, this is a 7-day cleanse, and this is a smoothie that you drink for 7 consecutive days, and it's going to clean you out, okay? This is not meant for long term. This is a short term smoothie that you blend. It's healthy. You can actually drink it every day, but it's really a short term smoothie, okay? So let's get into the wonderful ingredients you're going to need for this powerful fat burning smoothie. You're going to need a handful of parsley. Now I got my curly parsley today, alright, freshly washed. You're also going to need, which is optional, but I like to use ginger only because of the extra boost it gives your smoothies, alright, and it's a fat burning agent. So I'm going to be using about an inch, a little more than an inch of ginger. I'm also going to be using my celery. Now it's been a while since I did a celery video, which I need to do a celery video coming up with just drinking celery juice for a period of time, for like a week, and see what the benefits that comes from that is, okay? So we're going to be using celery today. Now this is a part of my pineapple that's left. Today's recipe calls for a pineapple, okay? So you're going to be using a pineapple, as well as cucumber. You're going to be using a whole cucumber, alright? And you're going to need a full-size blender. Now to start off, we're going to be using 1 celery stalk. Okay, so you're just going to cut that up and pop that into your blender. Okay, just in pieces. Okay, you're also going to take your ginger. You can grate it, you can chop it, but if you have a powerful blender, this will liquefy in no time. And that's one thing I like about this NUTRIBULLET blender. I tell you, they need to give me a sponsored video for this, because I'm sponsoring these people left, right, and center. Okay, I need to get some money for these sponsors. Alright, you're also going to be using a handful of your wonderful, delicious parsley. Okay, so you're just going to dice that up. Now I'm going to use everything, stalks and all. Okay, pop that in there. And as you know, I don't like my cucumber skin. Although it's full with fiber, you know, vitamins, I just don't like the waxy stuff that they put on it. It's not organic, so I always peel my cucumbers. I don't care how much you scrub it off, that waxy stuff is still on there. And we're just going to dice this up in pieces. Throw that inside your blender. Okay, and it also calls for a half a cup of pineapple. Now, this pineapple isn't that big, but half of this would probably add up to a half a cup. Alright? But I love pineapple, so I'm going to do a cup of pineapple. So now let's get to blending. One thing I like about this NUTRIBULLET blender is that it will not turn on unless it's locked in place. Okay? Okay, so now we're just going to get our mug. Okay. Wow. And enjoy this wonderful cleansing smoothie. Oh my gosh. It smells wonderful. Okay. Pop your straw in there. Really tastes delicious, you guys. If you're not a fan of green smoothies, there's ways that you can actually enhance the taste of and the flavor of a green smoothie. And that pineapple really added some wonderful taste to this smoothie, as well as the ginger. Okay? So like I said, you guys, this is an awesome cleansing smoothie. You drink this for 7 consecutive days, early in the morning on an empty stomach. Okay, that's the best way that you can drink this. 15 minutes within making it. So you can't have this just sitting around all day. Make sure you consume it within 15 minutes of making it. Alright? And remember, this is for short-term consumption. It's a green smoothie packed with nutrients. It's going to help you to lose the weight. But okay, thank you so much, you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. If you have any questions, list them down below and I'll answer them as fast as I can. Also, subscribe to my new channel, which is Velvetlox. If you're interested in hair care, beauty care, skin care, hauls, family vlogs, I have it all on that channel. Okay, so run over there, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Also select all so you will not miss any notifications on this channel as well as that one. Okay, if you want to be a blessing to this channel, there's also links down below for PayPal and Cash App so that you can be a blessing. I can grow this channel even more, bring to you even more wonderful things. Okay, so you guys, thank you so much for joining me, and until the next video, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.